Brittany, you gotta take some brownies. You're the funniest.
She doesn't need brownies
I'm
to
the
act like
funniest
that.
ever. I think it's most retarded.
What did she do last night? She was fine.
I think I'll have some more time. Is that it?
What'd you give me?
That feels good.
Belladonna.
I didn't feel it.
Belladonna?
Madonna.
Chris, did you just take a picture of me?
No.
It's a pilladonna.
No, dude.
It's Madonna in a pill.
Alright.
Yeah.
Twilight.
No!
Twilight.
Mom,
Your hair looks good. What?
that feels bomb.
What about the Harry Potter dubstep?
Chris,
Do you have the
don't
Harry
make
Potter
that.
dubstep?
Let me see
Michelle,
that.
you have the Harry Potter dubstep?
Don't. Oh my god, the Harry Potter one is the best.
I should have brought my fucking CD up here.
Got many more dubsteps on here though.
Diamond? Do me favor?
Isn't it?
It's Harry Potter Skrillex, so it's not dubstep.
It's not Skrillex.
I thought it was. Yeah, it is. I looked up dubstep and it wasn't.
Skrillex does the Harry Potter. Shut up!
My purse and the makeup bag.
Are you serious?
Because I couldn't find it in dubstep and I was freaking out and I finally found it in Skrillex. Is it Skrillex or Skrillex?
Skrillex.
Skrillex.
Skrillex is Sonny Moore, the guy from First to Last, the singer.
Really? The sexy ass guy?
You know what From First to Last is? Thank
The
you.
sexy ass guy.
That's the
I used
singer.
to have like the. I used to be obsessed with him. He's so sexy. Is he still sexy?
He looks interesting.
I just got a lot of pictures of the building.
But yeah,
Put your face down more. It's really cool right now.
he left From First to Last after like that one CD or something.
They split up and then the other band split up too.
Now he is Skrillex.
Where'd James's face go?
Where'd your mom go?
Don't move. That looks so creepy.
You've eaten so far, honey.
He's eating a muffin and now.
Five?
Oh, I was like, are you serious? You're eating Nutter Butters and brownies.
I haven't eaten those since before we went to the village. I pulled them out of my pocket.
I've had them before. They don't really do much. They're like flaking chocolate.
I want to change.
There's muffins too.
I don't want to be in my jammy bra.
The muffins are good. Put some butter on them.
Wow.
You can even warm them up in the oven. Put some butter.
Nice camera.
Is it gone or something? Do you have any mirror, Michelle?
My mom loved that.
However,
Oh,
probably get in big trouble for playing it right now.
Like they moved the coal.
Mom, you want to listen to it, Mirror?
They moved the coal. You gotta light it up again.
Why would I get why would I not like it?
Probably
No,
the worst.
one thing
That's
is
the worst.
they moved it.
Okay.
Hey, don't put it in the middle. What? They moved the coal to a spot where it wasn't before.
It's done.
So it's gotta burn the fruit.
I have my mirror shirt.
You gotta keep
So
it.
do I. Let's wear it. Let's wear it. Let's do it. Let's do this shit.
What are you doing?
Wearing our mirror shirts. We're badass.
You guys both have yours?
Mirror?
Oh my god, I need to get my
Hey,
LePage
Mirror!
jacket. I need to get my LePage jacket now.
Is my jacket not good enough?
No!
Shut up.
Never good enough. You're never good enough. No, never. We need a new coat. Need a new one. Duck, 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 duck.
Duck, 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 duck. Really now?
Dubby, dubby, dubby. Dooby. Dooby, dooby, dooby.
Doobie!
Dooby, dooby, dooby.
Kid cutie.
Kid Fizzy.
What's the street called?
What'd you say?
Pronouns. Pronouns.
Scars? No, what are you doing? Don't do smushes. Don't do. Those are tasty, don't
Ow, Mama, that feels good.
Shots are bad, babe. What the hell?
It'd be so tasty, nasty, don't
Sounds like E40 should be rapping about
Your mom should be rapping. Good one, Brittany. Yeah.
Where's Barbara on that one?
Oh.
No. But remember, it took us an hour before we started to
Still so warm on your neck. Did you put lotion on after you got out of the shower? Did it really dry right here?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Man,